I want y'all to stop calling me Unc, bruh. I ain't no damn Unc, bruh. I'm big bro. All right?
What's the deal, y'all? It's your boy Chef Quail. Another day, another dollar, another opportunity to make these bitches holla.
What?
It's another day in America, and we vibing, y'all. We finna go to see what the day we get into for the day. Y'all make sure y'all like the video, share the video, subscribe, comment. Yeah, we outside, boy. You wanna say?
Nope.
Y'all, it's raining hard.
They just won. There ain't no reason he did that. He did that for miles.
All right, y'all. This rain's super weird. Like it's dry over here.
That was what, through Lakewood?
All right, y'all. We right here at Target Business Center. We finna bounce inside this thing.
You said Target. It's Costco.
Oh, Costco Business Center. It's right here at Costco Business Center. We're finna bounce in this thing, see what they got, what's the difference. All you need is your Target, your Costco card to come up in here. So we're finna see what they got, man. Finna see what they got, see what goodies they got, right?
Yes.
Boom. This right here in Westminster, California, y'all. Costco Business Center. So this right here, this what I want right here. This what I want to do. I want stoves like this. You feel me? I just want 2 of these actually.
You are so ashy.
I don't care, bro. I don't care. I want the fryers just like this. We dropped the calamari. Boom. We need some more, you know? So, well, I don't really need an oven because we're going to have a pizza oven. And this right here at the bottom of the fryer. I like that, chat. That's fire. So we're going to get something like that in the future. Watch. Watch this. All right, chat. We right here in the freezer, y'all, and they got it going on, bruh. They got the beef tenderloin bread. Hold up. We might have to get this. Halal? How you spell halal? Halal. H-A-L-A-L? Yeah. Ooh, what that mean, boy? Ooh, we getting this. We are getting this, y'all. You gotta slap the beef like it's grass fed. So we get some grass fed filet. We're going up tonight. It's freezing. Excuse us. It is freezing cold in here. And it's loud as a motherfucker. But we in this thing. What they got going on over here? Let's see what this is. It's dumb cold in here, y'all. Like, but we're fighting hidden gems. Look, we got the beef brisket, y'all. Word to my boy Hustle Boy. Hustle Boy, come get you some of that beef brisket, brother. Yeah, get you that bark. Hustle Boy, be smoking. Y'all make sure y'all go tap in with my boy Hustle Boy too. Yeah, got the eggs right here, y'all. Heard the eggs are more expensive here though, so don't worry about that. This is not the one though. I want the crab lump, the lump crab. But let's find the lump crab. Let's find that lump crab, right? Hey, y'all, I'm like, it's like a kid in the candy store. They got tofu right here. What? They got the imitation crab. We don't want nothing to do with that. Salmon snack is ill. So at this Costco, you can come buy a whole damn dog and eat it. And now I'm paying the lamb. But, oh my goodness, they got a whole lamb in here? Looking like Costco City Morgue, bro. Like, what the hell? Next to the waffles? Like, damn. You can make lamb chops next to the waffles. All right, y'all, what's this? So we finna, it's another day actually. I'm just keeping it a buck with y'all. I'm finna take my boo to the steakhouse. I'm finna make my boo something fancy. What you want, baby girl? What you want for dinner?
Some steak.
You want some steak? Oh, all right, say less. What else?
I want to try a sweet potato.
You want to try a sweet potato? You want to try that? Let me see if we got that. Anything else?
Mashed potatoes, maybe?
Mashed potatoes, I got you.
Just in case we don't like the sweet potatoes?
Yeah, ooh, okay. Mashed potatoes in case we don't like sweet potatoes. All right.
And some shrimp.
All right, dang, that was a good idea. Like, oh, PPP special?
Yeah.
I got you. All right, so my boo, she want filet mignon. She want to try sweet potatoes Some mashed potatoes with some asparagus, right? You said asparagus too, right? All right, yeah. All right, yeah.
I love that.
Huh? You would love that?
I love that.
She would love that. All right, y'all. So what we finna do is we finna whip it up. Let's get it. All right, YouTube. I mean, yeah. All right, vlog. I ain't gonna lie, y'all missed it. We done filleted the whole fillet, and we filleted it up into filet mignons. We got the Chateaubriand left. The Chateaubriand is just more ounces of a filet mignon, y'all. It's the tenderloin. It's the best cut. This is the best cut of the steak left right here, and I'm not gonna use it yet. I'm gonna say that for later, all right? But these right here, I'm gonna individually bag these up in freezer safe bags, and then boom. Come on, dog. Sweet potato, you guys. Trust, you got this. 100. Appreciate that. All right, y'all. I'm doing a vlog too, y'all. So y'all make sure y'all lock in. All right, so we're gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top of the sweet potato, and we're gonna get in there with our fingers. So don't worry, okay? Don't worry. Like, oh. And this is like chili flakes almost. Nice and chunky. You heard me? Yeah.
Sweet potatoes, he just doesn't like them.
Yeah.
We just don't eat them.
How y'all gonna
So
tell
we're
me how
trying to make
my shit?
ourselves like them.
Yeah, we trying to make this how we would want to eat it, okay? So keep that in mind too. My name is Andre. Shout out Dre. I like potatoes. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to get in there with our fingers and we're going to mix that up. So we're going to mix in the olive oil. We're going to mix in the garlic. We got the oven preheating on 380. All right, boom. So as you can see, nobody ever caught on that. That's funny.
Go Alabama.
You from Cali? Yeah, I'm from LA, bruh. I just be fucking around when I be talking like that. So as you can see, we got the sweet potato nice and seasoned and flavored, y'all. What we're gonna do is drop it in a 380-degree oven for about 15 minutes or till it's tender. Like, you know, till when we press it, it's nice and tender. And then we're gonna see y'all later, man.
I know, I wonder.
Some nice asparagus, y'all. You can't go to the steakhouse without the asparagus. Without the asparagus. Nah, I'm playing. Asparagus is cool. And I used to not like this till last year. So with this, what we're going to do is we already got it washed off nice and clean, you guys. What we're going to do is cut off half of that shit. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. I cut off too much?
He don't even like that part.
I want y'all to stop calling me bruh. I ain't no damn bruh. I'm big bro. All right? It's the age limit to be and I ain't that. When I get a haircut, y'all ain't going to be saying that.
What's the age limit?
For what?
Is
34 to, no, it's like 35.
34, boy, you know.
35 to like 42, that's I'm big bro. I'm big bro, all right? I like the apron, appreciate that. How much did that cost? What are you talking about? Oh, these glasses, they was $5.
Is 30.
Who said that? Is 30, that's real ones.
Oh, yeah.
All right, y'all, so we kind of making like a shield, you know? You know what I mean? Like a shrimp force field. You can turn it up. We don't got the music on. Thick, you know what I mean? So we got a shrimp patty. The hard way. All right, black pepper. And this is for my flavors. These are flavors that I choose to go after, all right? We'll hit it with some red crushed pepper, some seasoned peppers. You know what I mean? Damn. And then we're gonna hit it with some of that. I like this right here. And this is what I do, y'all. So if you don't do that, don't do it, bro. This is what Chef Quail be doing, bro. Like, so, you feel me? If you wanna whip up like your boy, do that. you smell me? Do that, bro. I'm saving that little bit left, y'all. That's my last one. I'm sick.
They
we went
ready
through that
to
whole
hear
box.
some
A little more
sizzling.
black pepper, and then we're gonna add a little bit of salt, y'all. All right? Like the smallest amount. All right, boom. We got the potatoes going. We got the sweet potatoes going. We got the shrimp. We'll add some cheddar in that thing. You feel me? You feel me, mate? Now we're gonna add some heavy cream in that thing.
You with me? Chat, make sure y'all paying attention. He said not too much. All right, boom. Heavy cream in that John, all right? Not too much. So now what we're going to do is we're going to smash.
Wait, do not splash. Smash.
Sorry, boo.
Go again.
Huh?
Let me see. Oh, I can see I'm pretty good though right here.
Look at that. Chat. I ain't gonna lie, we're gonna go a little bit more butter in there. And then we're gonna go a little bit more black pepper in that, John, right? A little black pepper. We're gonna shake that up. Shake that up, right? What's next? Damn, Quail, you almost done. Gotta be done, right? No. What's next? What could you do next? What more can you do, brother? You don't want to miss this. All right, y'all, we dropping the filet. You said what? Y'all did. She's left in the phone, but not paying attention. That's wild.
Like y'all so
They don't even know
judgmental.
that we watching.
Exactly,
All right, y'all, we
losers.
so leave it alone. Leave it alone. Give him some. All right, y'all, that one's fucked up, but it looks the best.
You could just cut it into strips.
Huh? We are cooking the filet mignon down to the ground. What temperature would you like yours? Here. You hear me? We got the shrimp right here, you know? You know? Well, I'm gonna give it a little more time now. All right. All right, y'all, so this for the top of the shrimp. I mean, for the top of the steak, y'all.
Those look delicious.
Look at the shrimp, y'all. Okay, get a short of that. Hey, we'll add some lemon juice. And what we're
That
gonna do
was
is
short ribs.
we're gonna add some garlic butter in there, and now we're gonna baste the steaks, all right? I wish I could smell this, dog.
Right, it smells good.
On my mom.
Oh, my mom.
Put a little bit of lemon. I think this would be good in like a Alfredo pasta. So now what we're gonna do is we got the steak right there. We got the garlic butter with the rosemary. The smells are crazy right now, dog. On my mom. Those rest. Let that rest. We're gonna let these rest. You gotta let the steak rest, you guys. You gotta let the juices get back into the steak. You can even set that on top. We don't gotta slice it. We don't gotta slice that motherfucking thing.
Okay.
I done snapped. Hold on.
Oh, I forgot about that. That's a big bag. 2 carbs.
Well, we trying these for the first time. It's like a little sweet
Sample.
potato salad, you know? Not a salad, but you know. It could be carrots. They don't know. 5, 4. Come on, let's do that TikTok like that real fast.
What?
Y'all get them likes up. Who they playing with? We on live right now. Live, just watch me smash this food. But I want y'all to see the stockings in the back. Well, look at the damn decorations. Why is the initial SMH? What up? Y'all say what's up to the vlog. Y'all going in the vlog. Hi. Oh, y'all some real ones today. Hold up. We got some real ones in the chat. Y'all shout yourself out. Y'all gonna put y'all on the vlog, all right? Appreciate the gifts. Appreciate the gifts. Jakar. What up, bad girl CC? I have a question. What up? Oh, we got a super chat. I was late to the stream, but love you, Chef Quail. Say I made chimichurri with lamb. Ooh, that sound fire. I learned a ton, but loved all. Some love. Let me show that some love. Appreciate you, family. Appreciate you, Zay. Zay Tobin. Yeah, I have a question. What's the question? I want to ask my mom if I can make a YouTube channel tomorrow. But the first video you should talk about, just talk about what made you want to do. All right, so did you get a picture of the plate before we ate?
Video.
Oh, okay, because I was finna say, boy, we only got the after shot. It is whooped out. Chat. OMG, bruh.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, perfect. Perfecto. When I say this was like that, I ain't even gonna lie to you. It was. YouTube, bruh. When I say I'm so damn full right now, you wouldn't even believe this. We just made the filet mignons. I just took my boo to Ruth Chris at the crib. But Ruth Chris ain't doing it like this, bruh. Excuse me. We on live right now. We got live right here in the background. Don't believe me? Hold up.